Hey friends, Catherine here. I wanted to show you how to fold a origami paper box today. I love folding origami and I love little boxes, and I wanted to share this with you. This one's actually a pretty easy one. If you've got single-sided paper, face the side that has the pattern down toward your work surface, and if you've got double-sided paper, choose which side you want to be the side that is seen and face it towards your work surface. I think I'm going to go with orange stripes today. I do like the multicolored stripes, but I think we're going with the orange today. So face that towards your workstation and then fold it in half so that the edges are parallel both ways. So once that way, once the other way. Then once you've got those folds done and creased, bring your corners in to the center. So that corner, there, and there. Now this next part is the tricky part because we're going to have to try and fold it in thirds, and we have to make it as evenly as thirds as possible. It won't turn out if the thirds are not as even as you can make them. So I found the easiest way to do it is just kind of roll it so that you've got this overlapping part, and then just kind of encourage it to be in thirds as best as you are able. All right, that's something like thirds. That one comes almost over to the edge. That backside is a little bit short, but that'll be all right. We will work with it. And so we've got thirds in one direction, and now go for thirds in the opposite direction. Let's see if we can encourage it into thirds as well. There we go. Right, that's pretty even. As close as I'm going to be able to make it anyway. All right, so now we've got it in thirds in all ways. Now what we're going to do is open up two of our sides and put those toward the top and the bottom so that we have this kind of diamond with the edges cut off. And then we're going to bring in the corners. So since we've got it in thirds, we've got a third here and we've got a third, and a third. We're going to bring in this corner over 1/3 and fold that edge up so that it meets there. And then bring the same, the opposite, on the same side, the opposite one over and make it meet also at 1/3. And then do the same thing, corner up, so that we've got this nice box shape starting to form at the bottom. Flatten those down, bring this flap toward the center and bring this down in the back, hopefully as tightly as possible. And if you can see this, crease this down against your desk as hard as you like, because you want that to stay in place. You really, really do. And then we're going to take and form for the exact same thing for the opposite side. So bring the third over, stand up the corner, and then the same thing for the other one, over, and crease it down to the corner. And then, if you want an open top box, you can do the same thing, fold that over and then tuck it down in, and that will give you an open top box. Like that, crease it down, you'll be good. But if you want a box that has a closed top, you can do something very similar. Crease it down, but then use that flap that you just bent down, since you've got the one holding it on the other side, as the lid. And there you go. I like open top boxes my own self, so I'm going to put that back down so that it is a open top box. But you could do two boxes and slide one over the top of the other so that it had a top that slid over the top of it. Or you can just do one and have a little box that you keep tiny things in. You know, whatever you want to have. I hope you enjoyed this video today. If you did, let me know. I'm putting up videos every day, so I'd be happy to hear from you and what you think of these little projects that I'm doing. I am always interested in trying new things. So if you have any suggestions of anything that you'd like to see me try, definitely let me know. And I will see you all tomorrow. And remember to subscribe. Bye!